My dear brothers and sisters, let me, to the glory of Almighty God, thank His infinite mercies for today, being the 29th of August, 2022, that we're in the community called Eneka, particularly Rumesara. My life, my political story cannot be complete without mentioning Eneka. For all those who know me very well know that in terms of education, Eneka has impacted on me. Politically, Eneka has impacted on me. Your son who is here, Senator John Mbata, was the person who sponsored me first to be chairman of ObioAkpor Local Government Council. And so, for whatever we do, we must appreciate those who have contributed one way or the other in your life. Yes, today I'm a governor, but who knows if I was not chairman then, whether people would have known the kind of person I am. It was because I was chairman, it was because as chairman that time, I excelled as chairman of local government, and so that has given me the opportunity to be where I am today. So the entire Eneka community, through your son, I want to say thank you to all of you. Let me also thank Venerable Aka, who is the chairman of Rivers State Universal Basic Education Authority, who, as a reverend, has shown much commitment, has shown much support for the development of the state, and in particular to his community, Eneka and Rumesara. He was one who brought to my attention the deplorable roads in Rumesara community. And so I want to sincerely thank him for this. Yesterday, I was talking with Senator John Mbata, and he was telling me that the community wants to present an address. I told him I don't want an address, because I know that address will be loaded with so many things. And, you know, I may be tempted to make promise, and that promise you may not fulfill it, because my time is coming to an end. So I don't want to make a promise that I cannot fulfill. So I tried to tell him, please, he should do me the favor of let the community not read. It's okay. They will smuggle it to me and give me. I said, look, that will complicate matter. So I thank you, sir, for listening to me and for the community not presenting an address to me. And I thank the community for adhering to that advice. Because see, one thing I found out is that politicians, Nigerian politicians in particular, and we have taken that granted. Our people, whatever you want to say to them, just say it. It doesn't matter whether you fulfill it or not. And that's why when politicians make promises, they don't fulfill, they still come back to you and say, look, I will do it the next time I come. And then our people fall into it. So sometimes I say, who are we to blame? Are we to blame the politicians or we are to blame the electorates? So I don't want to fall into that victim. I want to say that I promise to do these internal roads, and by the grace of God, by the next 5 months, we'll come back here and commission these Promesara internal roads. Let me assure the people of Eneka, which I told Senator John Mbata, tell your paramount ruler not to worry. He needs recognition. He will be recognized. Tell him not to worry. I know what I'm doing. Also, I'm not watching so maybe men don't have recognized. Eneka, everything will start by strategy. Wayo, melembe.
If you love me, I will love you. Now so you be you.
So I want to tell the paramount of Eneka and all other communities in Eneka that I've been seeking for recognition. I cannot live and leaving you like that. You must go with something as I'm going. That is very no amount of blackmail will stop me. No amount of blackmail. I just want to tell you, just calm down. Just calm down. When I make a promise, I will fulfill that promise. But not at your own time. It is in my own time when I think it is now convenient for me to do it. Now, let me also say, Senator John Mbata has been worrying me about the government secondary school, Eneka. I said, if there's one school that will turn to a standard school in this state, will be government secondary school, Eneka. So go home and sleep. What you will see from this month coming, you'll be shocked of how government secondary school, Eneka will be. But I told him one thing. I've been to that school 2 times without going with security apparatus or the machinery of government. I went there with only 1 car. And I discovered that you people have taken the land of the school. But you see, I told the students, I said, look, you know our people, now they've taken the land of the school. And government goes there now to say, look, this is not your land, it's our land. And we bring down those buildings. Then they will say, oh, look at what he has done. This Ikore man is a wicked man. But you know what you took is not your own. If you know you took our property there, well, it's your business. When the owner comes, you have to leave. And the government is the owner. So, see, these are the things we must be careful. That something does not happen today does not mean it will not happen tomorrow. Or if it does not happen tomorrow, does not happen any other day. So you must be very, very careful. Because if we go there and then we see that your property is in government land, what do you want us to do? We will go and buy another land to build another school for the same school? No. So if you know you're involved, go and begin to pray. If you're a prayer warrior, continue to pray. But I can tell you, that prayer will not work where I am. Anybody who knows me know that. But once I've made up my mind and believe that what I'm doing is right, if you like, let the whole people team up. As far as my conscience is clear, I will do what is right at all times. It doesn't matter any gang up anybody, no matter whatever you say. If you like, go and buy newspaper owners. Put any story you want to put in front pages. I don't even bother about it. I don't bother about it. If you like, go and call those who want television houses. Bring people there, put stories to demonize me. It's their business. I'm not worried, but you are worried. So I will do the right thing. I will do the right thing. Today is for us to flag all these important roads. It's not to talk politics. At the appropriate time, we'll start talking politics. We have not done anything, people are crying. What if one will do something? What will happen? You can see how people are crying every day. So when I see them crying, it is sweet to me, and it pain them.
I see the pain them, he go the sweet us. I see the sweet us, he go the pain them.
So now let me just tell you, each time I wake up, I take newspaper, front page. They say, Wike, he did this, he did that. I will laugh. If there's somebody close to me, I say, boy, I found one bottle of drink, let's share, make them be uncomfortable, make them to be having sleepless night. At the appropriate time, whatever required to be done will be done. Nobody can threaten me, not one. And nobody has my life. It's only God that will say the day I will die. Because you that is saying that you will do this, you will do that, just be careful. Before you know it, you don't go. You know? So, just all of us should be calm. You've read what is happening in PDP, this and that and that and that. Nothing has happened yet. But by the grace of God, something will happen. Because the basic thing is, look at us concentrating in giving our people good governance. What is good governance? Good governance is making the people to be happy. Good governance is providing the basic infrastructure for the people. Good governance is not about party. Providing good governance is about leadership. We are here every day flagging up projects, every day commissioning projects, even though our tenure is coming to an end. But because we believe that we can only be happy when our people are happy. Some other people are busy putting themselves together. How would they tell leadership in Nigeria to loot the remaining one that is remaining, the remaining one that these other people have already kept? If you know what is going on in Nigeria, forget about all these people running around to want to rescue or save you. Watch what is going to happen. I am privileged to know. And at the appropriate time, I will tell you whom these people are. Now that I've come to Eneka to provide this basic infrastructure, I can come back to Eneka to say, look, follow me, let us go here. Or let us stay here. Do they have what it takes to come and talk to you? Can they come and talk to you? It must. It's somebody that hears from you, that you will also hear from, is it not? If you love me, if you follow me, if you push me. So there is love, love, love. We are in love. Is it by mouth? Tell me where love has worked by mouth. You do for this one will do for this one. It's not what they call love. But this one, you have not provided anything for my people. You've not come to ask them what they want. Then you want to tell them where to vote. Far, far, far. Far, far, far. So it is us that will come and meet you, see where you will vote. And I know, by our relationship, since when we have not deceived you, we have not told you lies, I know you follow us at the appropriate time. Don't bother about people who are talking about themselves. Talk about your people. What would my people benefit? Not what I will benefit. What my people will benefit. Now the contractor, let me tell you, we have mobilized you. This is rainy season, no? It's not rainy season. You took our money, it's not correct? So don't come and tell me the rain has been disturbing us. So if you know the rain will disturb you, return our money. Return our money now. You know, I tell with my experience in construction, I used to tell the contractor, listen, you know this is rainy season, and you know that, look, rain will disturb you. Why do you take our money and keep it in the account and use it for trading? then we'll be suffering. Why not say no? You know, there's rain. Keep the money. When the rain stops, do you understand me? We cannot pay the money. I used to tell them, so if you know that rain will fall, go and find those they call rainmakers or those who stop rain. Go and pay them as part of the incidentals. So that they will also be empowered. Give to Caesar what belongs to Caesar. So go and meet them. So contractor, let me tell you, I don't want to hear, oh, you know, Eneka community, this is my community. And having mobilized you, I have told the Ministry of Works, I don't want to reveal the total amount, let them know I kill you. You know, if you reveal that, the community boys will come and hold you. Without knowing how much you really spend in the construction of the road. One day here, billion. Billion. But they don't know that out of that billion, almost 800 is gone for the construction of the road and payment of salaries. But what I would enjoy the contractor to please employ the community boys here and girls. Empower them to also be part of supply of Eneka. So try and carry them along, and you will see with the support you will get, you may finish this project even before the time you are given. Because I have told the Minister of Works, having mobilized you, by the end of this month we'll pay another money. By the end of September we're free paying you. So you cannot come and tell us, oh, variation, no variation, because I'm going to pay you as we agreed. So I don't want to hear excuses. Whatever it is, help us, let the community enjoy this road. And let the entire community. When I told John Bada that I did Roboku to Eneka, he said, oh, that's okay. We did it from Eneka to Roboku. So whichever you want to take it from. If you want to take it from Roboku to Eneka, okay, I said, no, we started from Eneka to Roboku. He said, well, that one is over now. Now we have come here. Now we are going to the school. Have I not tried? Have I not tried? And I'm going to recognize our traditional ruler. So I thank you all of you for coming out en masse to give us this support. And I can assure you, God in infinite mercy will continue to bless all of you for the support you have been giving to our state, for your prayers that God has been able to use us to change the state. On this note, let me invite the deputy.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.